Here's an unboxing of the Creative Retreat Arranged collection. Our devotional is by Christina Fox, and we're hanging out in Jonah. We're taking a deep dive into Jonah's story and the sovereignty and providence of God, specifically zooming in on the verse, "The Lord arranged for a great fish to swallow Jonah." It has plenty of underwater elements, a cute watercolor whale, seaweed, and starfish. As you can see, this kit has a very cool color palette with lots of blue and a pop of magenta. The Faith Art box includes 3 sheets of cardstock stickers. We have a full roll of washi in this gorgeous abstract underwater pattern. A little PSA that last month's Ripples stencil would be a great complement to this one. Don't miss this month's printables as well. We have 5 different pattern swatches included. We also have 6 different journaling cards. These are one of my personal favorites. A title card that says Held and Healed. And then a couple of blank journaling cards, as well as the title that says The Lord Arranged For. All of this in sticking with our theme. And we have an elements page. A lot of these elements are included on the Decor sticker sheet. This is just the printable version. And of course you can get the printable devotional as well. I've pulled some of our pigment ink pads that are great coordinates for this collection. I smeared each one here and then overlaid a heart sticker from the Decor sticker sheet to show you how well the colors match. So we've got waterfall, denim, planetarium, pomegranate, and powder puff. I'll have the collection linked in the description box below. I hope you'll join us for this beautiful study and one of my personal favorites, Arranged: The Rescue and Redemption of Jonah's Wayward Heart.